What's up everybody, it's Willis and welcome back to the channel. Now you know I'm all about that personal finance life, but today, we're stepping into the exciting world of the stock market. Specifically, we're diving deep into the top 5 most traded stocks of the week. Trading volume can tell you a lot about market sentiment, and it's always interesting to see which companies are capturing the attention of investors. We're doing this countdown style, starting with number 5 and working our way to the most traded stock. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just me sharing some interesting market insights and breaking down what these companies actually do. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. Coming in at number 5, we've got Novo Nordisk, a global healthcare company that's been around for almost a century. You might not know their name, but you've probably heard of their work. They're a giant in the world of diabetes care, producing insulin and other medications that millions of people rely on every single day. But they're not just about diabetes. Novo Nordisk is also making waves in other areas like obesity care, hemophilia treatments, growth disorders, and even hormone replacement therapy. This diversification is likely a big reason why they've been getting so much attention from investors. The healthcare sector is massive and constantly growing, and Novo Nordisk is positioned as a leader in multiple areas. That's a recipe for potentially huge long-term growth, and it looks like the market is taking notice. At number 4, it's none other than Meta Platforms, the company formerly known as Facebook. You know Meta, you've definitely used their apps. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, they're practically unavoidable in today's digital world. They've got billions of users worldwide, and that kind of reach is hard to ignore both for users and for investors. Now Meta's been making headlines lately with their big push into the metaverse, which is basically like a next-level internet where you can interact with people and experiences in a whole new way. This is a risky bet, no doubt, and not everyone's convinced it'll pay off. But Meta's sitting on a mountain of cash, and they're known for their aggressive innovation. Whether the metaverse lives up to the hype or not, Meta's going to be a major player in shaping the future of online interaction. Chapter 3. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the one and only Microsoft. I mean, who hasn't used Windows or Microsoft Office at some point? This tech behemoth has been a dominant force in the industry for decades, and they show no signs of slowing down. While they built their empire on software, Microsoft's also become a major player in hardware with their Surface laptops and tablets. And let's not forget about their cloud computing platform Azure, which is giving Amazon Web Services a run for its money. Microsoft is like the ultimate tech conglomerate, with their fingers in nearly every pie. This diversification, combined with their long history of innovation and adapting to new technologies, is probably why investors are feeling so confident about their future. Chapter 4. Coming in hot at number 2, we've got Hims & Hers, the telehealth company that's changing the game for accessible healthcare. They offer a wide range of products and services, everything from hair loss treatments and skincare to mental health support and sexual wellness. What sets Hims & Hers apart is their focus on convenience and affordability. They've cut out the middleman, offering virtual consultations and personalized treatments directly to consumers. This approach has resonated with millennials and Gen Z, who are increasingly turning to telehealth options. The telehealth industry is booming, and Hims & Hers is riding that wave of growth. With their focus on destigmatizing healthcare and making it more accessible, it's no wonder investors are excited about their potential. Chapter 5. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 most traded stock this week is Palantir Technologies. Now this one's a bit different. Palantir specializes in big data analytics, which might sound a bit dry, but trust me, it's a big deal. We're talking about software that can sift through mountains of data and find patterns and insights that would take humans years to uncover. Their clients include government agencies, intelligence organizations, and even big businesses. Palantir's technology is powerful, and it's got the potential to revolutionize everything from national security to healthcare to financial modeling. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and there have been concerns about privacy and the potential for misuse of their technology. But for investors looking to tap into the explosive growth of big data, Palantir represents a unique and potentially lucrative opportunity. Outro. And there you have it. The top 5 most traded stocks of the week, from big data to diabetes care, These companies are making waves and grabbing the attention of investors. It's a fascinating snapshot of the market and the trends driving investment decisions. Remember, this is just a starting point. If any of these companies caught your eye, I encourage you to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the exciting world of investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more financial insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep crushing it.